Alright guys, welcome back to the follow-up from Decentralized Finance 101. Today we're going to discuss Decentralized Finance 201, and in this course we're going to dive much deeper in the decentralized financial ecosystem. I'm your instructor throughout this Decentralized Finance 201 course. I have a background in computer science and economics, and I'm the ambassador for MakerDAO, and I'm also the CTO for .Yeti and EOI Digital. Besides that, I also educate people throughout Southeast Asia about token economics, blockchain, software development in emerging economies like Philippines, Thailand, and much more. I'm looking very much forward to start this journey together with you, and I want to dive much deeper in this 201 course. So after completing Decentralized Finance 101, which is only around 3 months ago, a lot of things already have happened. And it seems that we're really at the beginning of a parabolic explosion in growth of this parallel financial universe that we call decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance has unleashed an unstoppable wave of innovation and will impact the way we interact with financial instruments and the way the world economy functions and works forever, in my view. It's very important to learn more about decentralized finance, and I'm very excited to teach you and together to learn more and together to interact and talk and discuss about this very fascinating, interesting, but also a little bit complex topic. Education and making people aware of the opportunities, but also of the risks of this new parallel financial universe give me great pleasure and keep me moving forward. During the Decentralized Finance 201 course, we will explore together why DeFi is a paradigm shift in the financial industry as we know it today. And this new parallel financial universe will contribute towards a more robust and transparent financial infrastructure. We are going to explore and develop trustless versions of traditional financial instruments, and we will see new financial instruments that are only possible by implementing the zero trustless blockchain layer into a financial instrument like we will see throughout the course. At the end of this course, you will be able to start your own decentralized hedge funds. You can create your own yield hacking strategies, and you have a good understanding of the underlying principles and decentralized financial ecosystem. The main topics of this course will be real-world assets on the blockchain, liquidity pools, flash loans, decentralized derivatives. We will do some yield hacking together, decentralized hedge funds, and we will discuss the current state of the decentralized financial markets. I can't wait to get started, and I'm very much looking forward to dive much deeper in this decentralized financial ecosystem. I cannot stress it enough, but it is a really important technology to learn and to understand. Sometimes it may be a little bit complex, but it will reap rewards. You will get an unfair knowledge advantage over your peers by learning today about decentralized finance. If you want to reach out to me, you can always check out my Twitter profile where I'm quite active. You can check out my GitHub, or you can interact with me on Toshi Time forum, on the iPhone on Tech forum, or you can send me an email to amadeo@eoi.digital. I'm looking forward to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.